Hello guys, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix inaccessible boot device error on Windows 11. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. Here are some steps to fix the inaccessible boot device on Windows 11. First, you need to access the advanced startup options. To do that, you have to force restart. If you don't know how to do that, you have to press the few times by holding down your power button. Then it will be trigger Windows to load the advanced startup option automatically. And if you can't do that, you have to access it manually. To do that, go to start menu, tap on setting icon. Under the system section, go to recovery, scroll down little bit. Here it is, just tap on it. And under the advanced startup, just tap on restart. Then it will be restart to advanced startup options. Then after, I'm going to close this one. When you are in advanced startup options, you need to select the troubleshoot, and then after choose advanced options, then select the startup repair. Then after, Windows will initiate the repair process, scanning your system files and configuration. Follow there is any on-screen instruction, please follow that. And you can do boot into the safe mode also. To do that, again you need to go to advanced startup options like I previously said. Then after, choose the troubleshoot and choose the advanced options, and in this time you have to go to startup setting, and finally you have to click restart. After your PC restart, press 4 key or F4, boot into the safe mode. When you are in safe mode, you have to run the system file checker. To do that, assume you are in the safe mode. Then after, you need to go to search bar, search for command prompt. Here it is, right click on it, run as administrator, tap on yes in the pop-up menu. Now you need to type sfc space / scan now. Hit enter. This will take around 2 to 3 minutes, and it will scan and repair corrupted system files. After this one completed, you have to again type this command chkdsk space / f space / r, and this will check for fix the disk search for and fix the disk errors. If that also not working, again you need to make sure you are in the safe mode. Then after, you need to open command prompt as the administrator. Now you need to type dism space / online space / clean up dash image space / restore health. Hit enter. Make sure capitals are using like this. This will repair the Windows image file. And if that also not working, again you need to go to the advanced startup options, then choose the troubleshoot as previously said. Then after, go to advanced option again. Now in this time, you have to choose system restore. Follow the on-screen instruction to restore your system to previous working state. And you can do uninstall the recent updates also. To do that, again you need to go to troubleshoot, go to advanced options. In this time, you need to go to uninstall updates. So choose to uninstall the most recent quality of each update in your Windows. Then after, restart computer and check the problem is fixed or not. And if that also not working, you have to choose the command prompt for advanced fixes. To do that, again you need to come to troubleshoot option, choose advanced option. In this time, you have to choose command prompt. I am going to open the command prompt in this window. I previously opened it. Now you need to type this command bootrec space / fix mbr. Hit enter. When the process is completed, again you need to type bootrec space / fix boot. When it is completed, again you need to type bootrec / scan OS. Hit enter, and once it is completed, finally you need to type rebuild BCD. Hit enter. Once it is completed, close this one. And that also not fixed your issue. You have to change the BIOS setting. To do that, you have to restart your PC and enter the BIOS setting. Most of the computers has F2 key for that one. Sometime it will be F12, delete, or ESC, depending on the computer version. You can find that using internet. And ensure in the boot menu SATA mode is set to AHCI. Okay, SATA mode should be AHCI, and if it is not, you have to change to AHCI and save and exit the BIOS. If none of these methods are not working, you have to reset your computer. To do that, like I previously said, go to troubleshoot and choose the reset the PC option, and then you can choose the keep your files, so you can remove everything. After you choosing, follow the on-screen instruction to reset your PC. So these are the 10 methods you can follow to fix your issue inaccessible boot device. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.